Hello everybody, this is Ethan79666459 here, and I'm going to be doing more of Last Warship, and my cat's next to me. So yes, one of the main reasons I went on here for my last, what's it do? One of the main reasons I came on here since my last video, I want to show you what I've changed. Like, let's see, I actually gotta get to my base, see what I got up. Warehouse level 9. I don't think I even upgraded this thing once. I guess I have. Huh. It takes an hour. Ask people for help. Well, actually, more of what I was going to do today. Let's see, get that. That. Kitty, your claws are sharp. Wait, get that. What's that? This. Let's see, okay, nothing that. Kitty, your claws are sharp. What do you want? Your claws are sharp. Stop. Stop. Thank you. You stop climbing on me and stop getting my hand. Get it, go in there. Sorry, there was music playing on my bus. Which means I'm going to be singing it back to myself. Anyway, got 7,000 things for my fleet. What? Check this. Defend. No. Okay. This function is coming soon. Please stay tuned. Kitty, Kiki, stop it. Stop it. I just want to see what the underground city is. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm assuming it's like that thing. But I don't know like all of what it is. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, they said good idea though. Everyone can teleport to Warzone 1. How much is it to teleport across? Oh, hi. Hi, yeah. I see that claw. I see that claw. Yeah, no. I saw that claw. She like jumped off me and I could see her claw spread wide like she was gonna jump on me. Stop. Leave my hand. Get that thing. Thank you, kitty. Let's see. War zone. Wait. We go to coordinates. Coordinates. Let's see. What is there? 1, 2. Wait. 3. Is there one? Kitty, stop. Get down. You clawing at me. Okay. 420. Okay, stop clawing at my hand, kitty. 21. $4.21. Oh no. 203. No, but there is a 1. Entering call number 1. Let's see, how much is it to teleport to Warzone 1? Wait, think back. What? Only commanders in war zones under level 6 may change. Why did we? Dang it. Well, that sucks. We're over level 6, so we couldn't even do it if we had enough money. Too late. Wait, really? What's happening? Who are we against? $40,000? Oh, come on. I need to be level 10. This sucks. I actually want to go. I need to hear yes. That sucked. Let's see. Upgrade to level 10. I need a warehouse. Warehouse and building. Okay, so that's gonna take some time. Okay, how much time? More than what I have. Wait. Okay, Kiki, what are you trying to do? Can't open you yet. Let's open up all you. Let's open up all of you. What's VIP 2? What now then? This quicker. I don't have enough. I won. Oh my god. Well then. How long has the video been? 8 minutes. Okay then. I really don't know what to do. Hey, I might be able to find one of my friends. Let me just see. Click here. Right there. No, that's the wrong person. Oh, great. How about you? BA. How about you? I doubt this is one of my friends. BA. Nope. Where the heck are you? You right there? That's from the same one. Wait, I'm pretty sure I. Well. tax rate. What? No, I'm gonna do something stupid and do it. So we go over dog's family. Place them in. We're out. Hold on a second. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't say anything. Okay, Kitty. I'll let you out of the room in a minute. Oh, or open the door and let yourself out. Are you on? Sasha, you go ahead and join them. Cause now you're gonna anyways. Okay, well, I'm actually gonna, I'm gonna go to a new room, let the dog out and stuff. So I'll be back in one moment. Hello, everybody. I am back. I'm back, guys. So let's see. Let's go here. Kitty, stop meowing. So let's see. The baser. Bro, we can't read those reports. Good night, all. Bedtime. Bedtime for me and the missus. Actually, if I do a multiplayer mission, use some go stuff. Use some go stuff. We should teleport to Warzone 1. No one's there. Even if we could switch, most could not afford the teleport. I wouldn't leave anyone behind. Good idea though. Okay, so now those are all just like what people have done. Wow, thanks Pops. Huh. One more time. 6, 7 minutes. Oh yeah, I sent Sam a bunch of stuff. You should know. You should know. Okay, I'll be back in one momento for 4. Hi guys, I'm back. This is fun. Where's my chips at? Where have I gone? Okay, well then. Sorry about that again. They are like so freaking annoying. My brother and sisters. Can't they just play nice and not yell at each other? Okay, where is it? No, where are you? Okay, right there. Let's see. You are right there. Trade. Speed up. Can I speed you up? 10 minutes. No, dang it. 10 minutes arrival. Oh. Follow him. Thank you. Mail. Mail. I'm sending you stuff. I'm sending you stuff. Okay, hang on. Okay, so that's as far as we've done. To all, there has been some restructuring in our ranking. Please do not take it personally due to a few factors we have seen fit to do as following. R1 will be anyone less than 200k might okay. R2 or rank 2 will be less than 300 might, and rank 3 will be any over might 300. Okay. Who are not ready for a command position. R4s will be officers. Please do not take any please do not take any Okay, well that's I guess okay. Do all. As our alliance grows, we must grow with it and adapt with our rankings. You are all the backbone of BIA, and as you grow in might, you will grow in rank. Okay then, that seems okay. Commander, your alliance needs you to come back soon. Okay. To all, Smoke has just stepped down for a bit, but he will be back. But meanwhile, if anyone has any ideas of how to make things better for BIA and help us grow, please message me with ideas. Okay then. Basically send him ideas if we have anything to do. You guys tell me if there's anything you want me to try to send him and let him know. Make this game more interesting for you. How long has this thing been? About 7 minutes here and about a few minutes there. That's about good enough. Invite to BIA Alliance. Sweet. Effective immediately. He'll be stepping down. Yeah, defeat. I attacked the level 19. Huh. 6 minutes ride across the blue sky. Wait, what the? Wait. There's a Vic Ray. Okay, so it's not that far away from you. Just a few people this way. A little bit. FBA. What are you? Declare war. Hope you build Level 6. Okay, if it helps me build, why doesn't it, like, actually do something for me? Like, it helps me build. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna wait until it's got a few minutes on this transport. I'll see you in one momento, por favor. Okay. All fun bits aside, you guys like this game? Like, oh, okay. Well, yeah, you guys like this game? Like, all fun bits aside, like little messing around bits aside. This is a fun game, but okay. So yeah, hang on, I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, well, yeah, all fun bits aside, is this really the game I should be playing? Or if you have any suggestions for games that are free and they don't need to do much on them, like, I don't know, like an offline game, like I can do small things like these and stuff, or something. I don't know, I'm just bored now. Well, we actually only have like 2 minutes left. So, what this? Energy alloy. Rare earth. So, follow the ship. Okay, well, we're almost there. Okay, well then, you like my pick? I need to take a picture. I need to do. Nah, that hurt my eyes. Oh, BA, I'm almost there. Once I show up, I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna recall it, pull all my resources back. BA! Wait, that's not it. Blue Man 1960. Alright. Lines 4. With a 2! 3. Take a look at this. Yeah, this guy's doomed. So I'm not gonna help you. I can't. I can't afford losing anything. 4, 3, 2, 1. Target trade. Wait, what? War support. Many fronts. So I gotta get this before I get many fronts. Resource to level. Can I go do it, please? Resource center level 4. Shouldn't be that hard. If you think it wouldn't be that hard. But then you welcome out reality and they say, well, you're dead. Research center needs to be level. Research, not resource. Research center. Level 4. No, I'm gonna do this. Market all this. Hey, well, guys, I'm actually gonna go now. I'm gonna play another game later. Yeah, I'll just from it decide. Tell me if I should continue this game more. We got other games for me to play. Or you want to donate some money to buy either a game for the Super Nintendo, Xbox. Can you see the Xbox? Xbox or phone. You want to donate money for those. Or if I get $150, I can buy a camera. I want to make a movie. Me and my friends are going to make a movie, and that'll be something brilliant to put on here. So, yeah. Bye. Well, see ya, mate.